Or a fight? What? What do you come here looking for?
I came looking for you. And I found you.
Yes, you did.
I know who you are, Michael Townley. You're in a new place, with some new friends and some fruity fucking habits, but you're still my running buddy. You can't undo that.
Yeah, sure, okay, whatever.
Hey!
Okay, this'll be it. The Maze Bank Arena. Let's find them.
Come on!
Diet sucks. It's a freak show out here today, man.
Come on, you dipshit.
Go home right now, Tracy! Hey, you little prick! They took our ride, we take their truck.
Get in the truck, Michael!
Hey,